A good evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional. Yes, we have an additional in today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 26th, 2024. Seven extra puzzles we have here in this additional: the letter Sudoku 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. And the first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 9658. 9658. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow, this one has 28 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 2 star? Oh, sorry, is this a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. We have 3 missing numbers now in the middle column. For numbers, 1 is missing. Well, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in that row, no 1 there. So the only place level 1 should be here. We have a 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Then let me see. Let me see. 4, 4. I need a 4 here or there. Okay. Need a 2 there. Need a 9 here. Yeah. Need a 9 in the third row. 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1, 1. I need a 9 there. Okay, come on. Need a 7 here. 2, 4. Need a 3 there. Yeah. I need 8 there. 3, need a 3 there. Come on. Need a 4. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 3, 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Okay. I'm thinking. 7. We have a pair, the 6 and the 7 in this row, 6 and the 7 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places level 6 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 where. 7 goes there, 7, need a 6 there. So we need a 6 here. In this row, the middle row, we need a 6. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in this column, second column, no 6 there. Here, these 2 boxes can be 6 because we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box level 6 in the middle row should be there. So I need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 4, need a 5, and I need a 7. 3 and need a 9 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 6 there. Come on. Need a 6 there. Yeah. Need a 7 there. Thinking. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 5 here. Still thinking. Come on. Need 8, 6. Here, need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 5. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need a 9 here. Interesting. Need a 9. Need a 6 there. Need a 1 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 4. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 4. 2, need a 2 here. 2. No. Need a 2 there. Here. Need a 7 here. I'm thinking. 1, need a 1 here. Need a 1 there also. Well, 1. Well. Need a 9 here. 5. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between. Middle row, the only 2 places left, the 4 could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column 3. The second column, the only 2 places left, the 4 could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column 3, and only 3 places left, the 8 should be here, or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 could be here, could be there. Come on. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column 3. The second column, the only 2 places left, the 7 could be here, could be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left, the 9 could be here, could be there. 9, okay. Need a 3. In this, 3. In this row, last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left, and 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. 3, okay. Then I need a 5 here. 7 and a 5. Well, 7. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. And look, we have 7 and a 5 in this column. So no 7 and 5 in this box. 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So one digit left should be the 4. 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. Okay. So mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left. The 4 could be here, could be there. Here we have 4. Here we have 4. That means in this column we need a 4 in one of these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I need a 3 here or there. Come on. 6. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left. The 6 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. The 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 7, and that box in this row should be the 5. So if eliminated here, the 7, so the 7 goes there. Okay, 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left. 7 goes together with the 4 as a pair. Then, need a 2, need a 8, need a 6. We have a 6 in this column. Oh, yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left. 6 could be here, could be there. need a 2, need a 8. Okay. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Need a 7 there. Yeah, 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, from the third row, only 3 places level 7. Should be here, here, or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 is 7. Could be here, could be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 to 2, 3 is missing, the 4, 5 is missing, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. Need a 3 there. Okay. And then, let me see. Yeah. 4, 7, need a 8. Need a 1, need a 9, need a 8 here. Complicated, this one. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, and the third column, only 2 places left. 5 goes together with a 9 as a pair. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 9 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left. 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. We need an 8 in this row. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the row below, so last row, only 2 places left. 8 could be here, could be there. 8, 8, 8. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. 4, 8, and need a 3 here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row, only 3 places left. 2 should be here, here, or there. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. No 2. 2, 2, 2. 2 and a 6, we already have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so will come next. Now only 2 places level 3 goes together with the 6 as a pair. So the other pair in this column should be the numbers. Oh, no. We have 3 missing numbers here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Okay. Then, need a 9 here. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, 1 and a 5. 9. Okay, the 8. 2, 2, 2. Come on. Need a 1 here. Well, in this row, we need a 1. Here can be a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in this. So the 1 goes together with 3 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The other pair in this big square element is 1. The 2 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in the first column for the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square element, 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in this row, third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. So 1 box, no, 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5, I believe. Yeah, 1 and the 5 are left. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2 is missing. me see. Come on, come on, come on. Here, 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 9. Here, 1 and the 5. 8, 9, and either one here. Either one here or there. No one. Wait. I need a 6 here. 6 in this column, 6 last column, 6 in the column next. On that column, and only 2 places left. The 6 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 6 and a 4. Okay. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with earlier with the 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 and a 5. We already have a 5 here in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. And 1 box left in the last column for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 1 box left in the last row for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. Not the 3, not the... Should be a 2 stars. Yeah, I'm not faster than 15. Otherwise, it will be a 1-star puzzle. Definitely not a 0 stars. This one I have a lot of troubles, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later. Bye bye for now.